At least sasa kama kuna watu wametoka kwa embassy, you need to have some respect.
Haya maola tu kwa dunia.
Oe. Kuna watu wametoka hata embassy, give them some respect at least. Kama mtuheshimu sisi as the lawyers, at least open for them.
Ndio hapa tunakuona. Si ufungue na tunakuona hapa yeye.
Fungueni hapa bwana.
Ndio hapa anafungulia hivi kwa mama. You can see from here. Embassy ndio hawa.
Wamefika, now you don't respect the lawyers, at least open the gate for the other guys.
Kama wewe ndio uambie you are senior. Officials wa embassy ndio hawa. Look at the nigga. Ndio huyo. Ndio amesonga sana.
Oye bro. Sasa bro imekuwa jina ngumu kuwaita. Sasa waite gani? Nyumba mbelezo na jina gani?
Hai bro.
Senior.
Hauna namba ya
Ama ya
bro. The embassy officials are here, bado hawafunguliwi.
Kapıyı açmıyorlar şu an. Konuşacak kimse yok. Kapı var şu an. Hani dışarıda bir arayı bölen bir kapı var. Orayı açmıyorlar şu an. Bu şey var. Cumhurbaşkanı öncesinde ekibinden bir adam var.
Ele sasa hizo wanaambiwa mimi. Nasikia ni kwa.
Tayari lazima uko kweli? Ah, vipi? Bie.
Don wapi gari yako niwekee kabuti. Nilikuwa nimeacha gari.
Hani onu da söyleyeceğim, çıkmıyorlar yani. Kapıyı açmadıkları için güzel oluyor. Böyle telefonunu da almışlar adamı. Kapalı şu an, açılmıyor.
They're not speaking. They're not talking. They're not talking. They're not They're not talking just as blank as you have seen. This is what you have seen. He's not picking phones. Yes, we called him how many? We have been here for 2 hours.
I think it's
Of course. Mtemba ilikata simu yangu.
Acha nipige hapa. I think senior.
Fanya pesa kidogo. Yeah, I think up to their bosses. The moment you take an innocent man and put him inside there without any offense, you are terrorizing him. The moment this man left this country here to go for his business and had done no offense, there was no OB, you had no charge, had no complainant. Then he comes back. He has not committed any offense, including in the air and in the plane that he has come, and you arrest him. On what basis? Where is that complaint? Who is charging him for anything? Why isn't the anti-terrorism police station? Why?
And you deny him the right to representation.
This is terrorism.
Yeah.
This is the actual terrorism. The man is terrorized right now.
How can he be free? I say he must be able to say that, okay, you see, when you give a translator to him, he must speak to the translator and find out. Are we able the same wavelength? Yeah. Yes. Am I understanding? Because true. If you say that the man speaks is a Kenyan, that guy is Turkish. How many languages are there? In Kenya, Kikuyu, Kisii, Kamba, you must be able to understand. Apart from him coming from Turkey, he must be having somebody who they can communicate and understand each other, so that even if he has to respond to anything or he has to ask for his rights, then the translator should be able to capture
correctly.